got an Xbox.
Oh, and it comes with connected fencers.
Wow, so did you do all the...
Dude. You're showing Dad. You're showing your dad.
Did you do all the stuff? Yeah.
What's in there?
Wow, that is gorgeous. See, we don't have room. The way our living room is, we just have room for like a pin tree.
It must be at the very bottom. I think it is.
Don't
at the
tear
very
it.
bottom. Yeah, don't tear it. Don't tear it. Because you might need it for someday.
So what did you
What? There's no Xbox in there.
do? How'd you do this?
That Xbox
Literally, you get
is right here.
little pieces.
They got in the new one.
Is
They
this what, whenever you're crazy,
Like
you're
this
sitting
much.
here and here?
And then just do it like this, and then stick it in the tree.
Melissa made one of those.
Throughout.